Do you have a very long list of customers, and to all the customers you want to send a discount WhatsApp message, and now sending WhatsApp messages to the long list manually is a very time consuming for you? Then I have a solution. In this video, I will teach you how you can send bulk messages to your customers related to the discounts or offers running in your business on WhatsApp. That too, we are going to create this amazing process without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Chatflow. Okay, I am a business owner and I manage my WhatsApp conversations using Pabbly Chatflow. And using Pabbly Chatflow, I have created a template message like this. Now, I want to send this template message to thousands of customers whose contact I've created inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. Okay, now I will teach you how you can create the template as well as send the messages to all the customers and contacts. To create the template, you have to log into your Pabbly Chatflow account. For that, simply on a new tab, browse pabbly.com/chatflow, and Pabbly Chatflow's landing page is going to appear in front of you, where you will find two options. That is sign in or sign up for free. Now, if you're a new user, you do not have an account with us, do not worry, sign up for free from here and get 100 free credits every month to explore more features. Okay? And yes, if you like using Pabbly Chatflow and you want to purchase our plan, I have the special gift just for you. You can see the discount code on the screen. Use this code while purchasing the plan and you will get instant discounts on your yearly and lifetime deals with Pabbly. Okay, so go ahead and use the code. Okay, after logging in and coming to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, if you want to learn how you can set up the Pabbly Chatflow account and what are the features, you can find the video links in the description section below. Okay, and also you will find the code in the description if you want to use it. Now, we have to create a template. For that, go towards this template list section. Then after coming to the section, click on this add template button. Firstly, select the category. There are 3 categories. I will select over here as marketing. You can also use utility and authentication according to your requirement. Template name. Template name, let's suppose, is going to be new test. This is just a test template that I will show you how you can create. Select the language in which you want to create the template. I will select over here as English. You can select other languages according to your requirement. Template type, I will select over here as text. There are other types given. You can definitely select them. You have to give the header. So let's suppose for the header, I'm going to write it as good morning. You can write any other header according to your requirement. Format is the body of the template. So let's suppose I will write over here as hello world. This is a dummy message. Okay, you can see right over here in the preview, this is how the message will look like. And for the footer, you can add in the footer according to your requirement like this. Okay, then if you want, you can add in the interactive actions. Click on the submit button and the template is going to be created. Okay, I have already created a template like this. You can see in front of you, this is the template. Now I want to share this template as a WhatsApp message to all my contacts that are added in my Pabbly Chatflow account. For that, simply you have to use the feature broadcast from here. With the help of broadcast, you can send bulk messages to all the contacts that are added inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. To create a new broadcast, click on this add broadcast button, and as soon as you will do that, firstly you have to select the broadcast type. For the type, I'm going to select over here as broadcast campaign, but if you want, you can select the API campaign as well. Next, it is asking for the broadcast name. For the broadcast name, let's suppose I will write over here as discount message as my broadcast name. Okay, next we have to select the contact list. Now, what is contact list? In the contact section of my Pabbly Chatflow account, you will find right over here, this is the contact section. In this contact section, you can add a contact list according to your requirement, where you have segmented your different contacts according to your differentiated categories. Okay, so these are the lists that I have created. Now what you can do is either you can send the message to all your contacts, or what you can also do is to a specific list you can send the message as well. Okay, so you need to select that contact list in this section right here. So let's suppose I want to send this message to the list new list right here. So I will select this list from the drop down. After that, it is asking for us to select the message type. Now I have created a pre-approved template, so you can also select the pre-approved template from here. But if you have not created a template, you can enter a regular message by selecting the format, the text type, as well as the message right here. You will see the preview over here and you can send that message as well. But I will enter the pre-approved template. This is the template over here. Click on this done button and you will see this template has been selected. Okay, now if you want to run and test this broadcast, like how the message will look like, how it is going to be forwarded, you can just simply enter your name right here. Let's suppose as dummy user is my name, and I will enter my phone number to test this broadcast right here, and simply click on the send test message button, and the test broadcast you can see is sent. Okay, now I will show you the message that I have received. You can see this is a test message that I have received. So when the broadcast will run towards all your customers, they will receive a message just like this in the similar manner that you can see on the screen right here. So I've tested the broadcast, message is successfully forwarding. Now over here next it says schedule broadcast. Now if you want this broadcast message should be instantly forwarded towards your customers, so you can select the option no send instantly. Okay, but if you want to schedule this broadcast, let's suppose I want to send this message 4 days later, so 4 days after today. So what I will do is I will click on this yes button. I will go to this calendar. Let me schedule this broadcast for 5th of January 2026 at 2 p.m. Okay, so this is the time. So on 5th of January 2026, this broadcast is going to run, and towards this contact list, this message is going to be forwarded. So I'm going to add this broadcast from here. As soon as I will do that, you will see this broadcast discount message has been scheduled for January 5th, 2026 at 2 p.m. Okay. So this is how this message is going to be forwarded towards the list that you have added in the broadcast while creating. And like this, the WhatsApp message is going to be forwarded on the scheduled date. If you have clicked instantly, then instantly the messages will be forwarded towards all the contacts. So this is how you can send discount offer messages to all your contacts, all your customers at once. Simply add the contacts in the Pabbly Chatflow account, and then simply you can send discount or offer messages by creating broadcasts inside Pabbly Chatflow. Okay. So this is how you can automate your WhatsApp conversation using this amazing software that is Pabbly Chatflow, and use it from today itself. Okay. If you have questions or doubts related to this video, you can ask us all the questions in the comment section and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not only this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple other bots using Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any questions, you can email us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can send us queries on forum.pabbly.com. If you have any Pabbly Chatflow pricing related issue, you can check out this link. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel, comment down below if you have any questions, and please do share this video.